Hey, Algebra 1, it's Mr. Florio. Lesson 20, the objective is to just practice writing inequalities and solving them. The first example 20.1, dinner for a drama club. Kieran is getting dinner for his drama club on the evening of their final rehearsal. The budget for dining is $60. Kieran plans to buy some prepared dishes from a supermarket. The prepared dishes are sold by the pound at $5.29 a pound. He also plans to buy two large bottles of sparkling water at $2.49 each. So what we're asked to do is represent the constraints in the situation mathematically. If we use a variable, let's specify what it means and how many pounds of prepared dishes can Kieran buy. Explain or show your reasoning. So I know that the budget is 60. That tells me that you can't spend any more than 60. That's going to be a max. We know that depending on how many pounds of dishes we have or pounds of food we have, it's going to cost $5.29 each. So I'm going to let P equal, I guess, pounds of food. Or pounds of prepared dishes. And we know that we have a $5.29 cost per pound of prepared dishes. And there is two sparkling water costs, so it's $2.49 each when we're gonna have two of them. And the budget is 60, so that tells me that this quantity can't exceed, it has to be less than or equal to 60. So that's good for number one. Number two says how many pounds of prepared dishes can Kieran buy? Explain or show your reasoning. You may have figured this out on your own. But to solve this, I'm going to do this algebraically. First things first, if I buy two sparkling waters for $2.49 each, that's really a total of $4.98, just under $5. And if I subtract that from 60, then I'm left with $55.02. So I have $55.02 to spend just on the dishes. If I divide both sides by that 5.29, that'll tell me how many dishes we can have. So I'm getting 10.4. So I can't buy any more than 10.4 pounds. The question is, what would the inequality be? Is P going to be less than or equal to 10.4 or greater than or equal to 10.4? And we're just going to do a test point. What if I bought 0 dishes? Let P equal 0. If I bought 0 dishes, then I would only have the $4.98 cost for the water. And is that less than or equal to 60? Yeah, $5 is definitely less than 60. So any number that's going to be, if 10.4 is our starting point, 0 we said works. So anything less than 10.4, anything in this direction on the number line will work. As long as he buys less than 10.4 pounds of food, we'll be all set. And of course, it's got to be more than 0 because you can't buy less than 0. So the amount of food that he can buy is less than or equal to 10.4. But of course, it has to be greater than 0 because you can't buy a negative amount of food.